Yeah, we had 4 contractors coming in and they all submitted their bids. Paradise was the lowest, and we felt comfortable with them because they are the second largest of what they do in the area. And we had 5 windows installed, 4 in the bedroom and 1 over the front door. Everything went well. They cleaned up after themselves. They did a professional job. Day of inspection, the inspector came out and with one of the Paradise employees, and before the inspector actually went to the windows, the employees added a bunch of screws to the sides of the windows to make sure that it would pass inspection. And of course it did on the first shot, which is kind of unusual. And I would certainly use them again. We have a lot more windows in the house to replace, and as time goes by and we have a couple extra dollars to spend, we'll eventually replace all the windows in the house. And that's our goal, and we intend to use Paradise. They're wonderful people to deal with. We communicated very well. I had no problems with it. I got constant phone calls, constant updates, kept me informed every step of the way. There was no lack of communication between me and Paradise. Very satisfied with the job they did. Like I said, when it comes time to add more windows, I'll use them again.